The Xbox Series S toaster may be too good to be true. Okay, so I saw this headline and I thought it was just completely bogus, but then I remembered something that...
Did we do a clip on it?
Razer did a toaster, if I recall correctly.
Okay.
I think a couple of different unexpected brands did toasters. Yeah, Razer did a toaster, which I thought was April Fool's, but then it actually existed. Project Breadwinner. I don't know if it was ever sold, but it did exist, a physical version of it. And then in the case of Microsoft, you may recall that they put out an actual fridge that looked like an Xbox.
Yes.
And that was a thing that existed.
There was a big one and a smaller one.
It exists. No, it's a thing that exists.
Uh-huh.
And people... there's a mini fridge. They bid for a couple of promos. I think they did a full-size thing. But it's a mini fridge, which is kind of cool. You got the light on it, and I don't know. It's a mini fridge. So maybe they could do a toaster, and then we have these leaked images. And let's see what it looks like here. Yeah, click on this tweet. Look at that specs. 800 watt, 2-slice toaster, 40 millimeter side slots, suitable for 120 by 120 millimeter bread. 1 to 6 level browning settings, anti-jam function, anti-slip feet. I think it's kind of good looking. I don't mind it. Retro, has a little tray for your crumbs.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it looks nice.
60 bucks.
Is it just one slice, though? I see one slot.
Well.
Or am I wrong?
It says 2-slice toaster. I think you just put 2. It's wide enough for 2.
Okay.
Defrost, bagel mode, cancel setting with LED indicator, 3 modes. You can slide 2 in there. I don't know if they're actually...
Nice.
I have no clue if they're actually doing this or not. It looks to be strictly a rumor at this point. But that fridge does bring things into question. Like whether, if they were willing to do that, why not a toaster? Toaster seems to maybe even easier than a fridge. I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, that's cool.
Yeah. You're picking...
To actually have the pictures?
You're picking one up. This would be good for a YouTube short, Will. See if Microsoft will send us one of those.
Yeah.
They're like, where'd you even hear about this? We don't...
Yeah.
Like...